You might want to check your damn drawers now, like you shit yourself again.
I did not. That wasn't me. That was you. Oh. Stop. Do it again. No, not that. I didn't say that.